Hello all, today in this video I'm going to show how to make an user defined function by using to display the maximum of two numbers. In the previous video you may see that how to use this uh, Python default max function, and also by using the lambda function how to display this maximum of two numbers. In this video, by using an user defined, we are going to define an function, and by using that function we are going to display the maximum of two numbers. So in the user defined function we are making an if condition. In that if condition, if a is greater than or equal to b means we will it will return a, or else it will return b. And then after this if condition we are making an variables, two variables like a and b, and now we are just calling this definition over here and making within with the a variable and b variable and making to run our code. Now you can see the maximum is 25. So if you are changing this maximum number means, now you can see it will display as 45. So this is the code for a user defined function of maximum number. So there are many ways. In our channel we are just showing the three ways. So if you are interested to know some other display demo video like this means, please make an in a comment box, so that we will, if you are aware of it means, we will just make a video regarding that. Thank you.